In this video, I'm going to show you how to load data into the UniSyn Image Fusion application, how to do basic image manipulations, and also to do basic study comparison. So here I have three studies. This, by the way, is the Convergent database browser. If you're using a PETCT integrated version of UniSyn, you will be using the PETCT's database browser. So within the Convergent browser, here I have three studies. You notice they each have two series each, and I don't have to select at the series level. The application will go ahead and match the series to each other and present three fused studies within the viewer. The studies are loaded such that the latest study is available for review right away, while the other two are loading in the background. Once fully loaded, all of the studies are listed at the top according to their date, and clicking on the date will change the displayed study. Within each study, you can have multiple layouts. So there are three standard layouts that we provide. These are user configurable layouts, and you can change them using the layout editor, which I will show in a subsequent video. Also, there are 16 standard layouts that are not configurable. You can create your own custom layouts in addition using the layout editor, and these are all shown here in the drop-down, and you can select those for particular cases whenever you need them. Now within a single viewport, so let me choose the transverse all layout here. Within a single viewport you can do things such as partial zoom. Partial zoom will zoom the viewport to half the viewing area of the screen. Now this application is dual monitor aware, so if you had two monitors and you stretch the application over two monitors, this left-hand side zoom would cover the left monitor, and if you'd done the same on the right-hand side zoom would cover the right monitor. Now within the viewport again, aside from the partial zoom, you can also do your standard manipulations such as stacking with the mouse wheel, left mouse for zoom, right mouse for pan, and window level either through the presets here that you can use keyboard shortcuts for, or you can use the middle mouse button to change the window level. And finally, for this video, I will show the MIP viewport. So with the MIP, you can cine it. You can also manually cine it in addition to the automatic cine. There's a couple of modes, two modes for the MIP. It can be in triangulate mode, where clicking anywhere will take you to the hotspot on the 2D views. And you can also change it into a trackball mode, where it's a true 3D view of the PET image. So continuing on with the basic measurements, to calculate the max SUV in a volume, it's very straightforward. You can triangulate off the MIP, go to a hotspot, and select either the spherical or the cubical VOI tool. And now this is a 3D volume, and I will go into single. Let's go to a different layout where we can see. So this is a single 3D view, so you can see it's on the transverse view, sagittal, and on the coronal as well. What you have here, when you right-click on it, you can go to the maximum SUV, and there, what you also notice is that the pixel containing the maximum SUV is highlighted in purple. That way, as you're stacking through, you can see exactly what that max pixel value is. And two more points. If you want to make multiple measurements on many other workstations, you cannot make more than one measurement at a time. Only the current measurement is retained. If you wanted to make multiple measurements, you can again go back to your MIP view. You can take a measurement like so and draw that in place. And then on the left-hand side, you can see a list of the measurements that were taken, and clicking on each one will take you to the maximum pixel location of each. And finally, to close out the basic manipulations, all of the all of the manipulations, the window level, pan, zoom, there are buttons to set the modes directly on the toolbar. There's also shortcuts. So if you want to go into the different modes, pressing keyboard shortcuts such as S for stack, W for window level will change the mode of the mouse. So there's many ways you can be comfortable using this tool and optimize it for your own case.